Hi, this is Doc Fever, and today we are going to talk about hypothalamic nuclei. Hypothalamus is a small but extremely powerful part of the brain. It is located below the thalamus, above the pituitary gland, and forms the floor of third ventricle. It is small, but it controls hormones, temperature, hunger, thirst, sexual behavior, autonomic nervous system, and circadian rhythm. Basically, it is the link between nervous system and endocrine system. So today we will discuss hypothalamic nuclei. First nucleus is the supraoptic nucleus. Its function is it produce ADH, also known as vasopressin. Damage to this nucleus can lead to the diabetes insipidus. In the diabetes insipidus, ADH will decrease and it lead to the excessive urination. Second nucleus is the paraventricular nucleus. Its function is it produce oxytocin, which helps in the muscles contraction during labor, milk ejection during breastfeeding, also help in the stress reduction and emotional regulation. You can remember these two nuclei and their function by the mnemonic SAD box. By the exam point of view, it is very important question which nucleus produce oxytocin. So answer is the paraventricular nucleus. Next is the preoptic nucleus. Its functions are temperature regulation, sexual behavior, and release GnRH. Lesion to this nucleus can lead to the hyperthermia because it is the cooling center. Next is the ventromedial nucleus. Its function is the satiety center, means it informs the person to stop eating, you are full now. It is stimulated by the leptin. Lesion to this nucleus can lead to the hyperphagia, which lead to the obesity. Next is the lateral hypothalamic nucleus. It controls the hunger center. It informs the person to start eating, you are hungry. Lesion to this nucleus can lead to the weight loss. Next is the arcuate nucleus. Its functions are controls anterior pituitary hormones, release dopamine, which inhibits the prolactin. If it will be damaged, it will lead to the decreased dopamine. Due to there will be the hyperprolactinemia and which cause infertility, lacturia, and the menstrual changes. Next nucleus is the posterior nucleus. Its functions are it is a heating center and also control the sympathetic activity. Lesion to this nucleus can lead to the hypothermia. So that was a brief review of hypothalamic nucleus. Hopefully it will be helpful for you. If you like the video, like and share the video. And don't forget to subscribe the Dog Fever. Thank you very much.